Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to share with you what is a program. A program, it is a set of instruction or command. Set of instruction, that means sequential instruction or commands to be executed by a computer. Set of instruction, that means whatever command you have written one by one line, and then afterwards it will be execute like this, and then you will get the output. It is called a program. For example, see, add of two numbers. So then first a equal to 23, b equal to 34. 23, whatever values you have taken, this one you have to store in the variable. It doesn't mean that you can write only the small letter. You can write it in the capital letters also as a variable in Python. Okay. So equal to 23, b equal to 34, because now we are adding two numbers. Then s equal to a plus b, print command, add two numbers. This is the optional. If you want to write it, then you can write it. Otherwise, don't write it. Then s. Call s because here after the adding, whatever values we will get, we are storing in the which variable? S variable. So that is why this s we will call it. So this is called program. This is small program, one program. So it is a set of instruction because first we take the number, then afterward add it, then afterwards you will call to the print command. So this is the set of instruction. Then executed by a computer. Executed by a computer. After this we will run it. So then you will get it the output. So this is the program output. I hope that you must be understand what is program. Thank you very much for watching this video.